Hello, family. It's your girl Chinex again. So let's do this amazing slide together. The measurement is 50-50, starting my base from here, forming my plate. All right. 4 is okay for me. I'll put it at the back of my head and then I'll turn so that I can be able to arrange. So now you arrange this side. Okay. Also arrange this side. Then okay. So I'm going to pin here again. I'm going to pin here, pin it down, push like that. Okay. See, I'm still using my pins to secure it because I need pins out here to work. So I'm going to take this off now. So open this place like this and then secure here and pin. Please push it backward so that it's not covering your plate, your base. going to be using my pin. Touch here, put it down, put and push. I'm repeating it again because I don't know if it's very tight, so I'm still going to repeat and put. So now I think it's okay. So I'm still repeating the same thing here at the back of this one. Just do your ruffles. Do your ruffles. Just fold, fold, and then that's it. And I'll meet it with this one. Let me pin first. So I'm going to pin here and attach it to this one. This one. Okay. I'm going to be pinning this side. I'm going to hold this to and pin behind. Take small and push. So let me pin here. Pin this side so that my gele will be intact. Alright, and have this wing, so I'm going to start arranging properly now. So this is the style, guys. So what would I do with this rubber band? I have to take this, take it forward and push. So repeat it again. Take a little from here, a little from here, push my hand forward and pin. It's just to hide the rubber band. So I'll also pin here. Take my hand back, not here, take my hand back, put and push, push, alright? I'm pressing it so that it will be fine. So this is the style, guys. What do you think about this style? It is an unconventional style. So I still want to pin here. Okay, okay, let's leave it this way. Okay, let's pin here one more time. Okay, it's fine now. It's fine. So what will I do with this? What will I do with this? Let's pin. This is how the back looks. This is how my back looks. So let's cut this place out. Yes. Rather than cut. So what do you guys think about this amazing style? What do you think about this style? So this style is very, very amazing. It's an unconventional gele style. You can tie it to party. You can tie it to anywhere you want to go with this gele classic place. So I'm doing more arranging at the back, just trying to put some pins and fix some place out. So just trying to balance everything. Please rate this style. Share this video so that others can join and learn. Thank you so much for watching this amazing tutorial. Yes, this gele style is very, very simple. All right, look at the side view. It's very simple. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying to see how I'm able to do this on my own. It's very, very easy. Just need like few patience to tie this gele. You need pin and you need rubber band in case you have this glamorous event you want to go for and you want to look all glamorous. Please watch this video and learn how to tie this amazing style. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.